Good morning, everybody. Dave in Kentucky, another shave video. It says September, S-E-Tember. So, been using a single edge blade razor every day, a different one for the month of September. Anyway, had a viewer, Brian Harding. He's also a fellow member over on Toast3. That's TOST, the number 3.com. Strictly single edge razors there. He'd requested use an Everready 1914, I'm pretty sure. I remember 1912, 14, and 24 is the shovel heads. Anyway, happen to have this one here, and this is not the original head, and I shy away from these Everreadys. I need to get some more Everreadys, and I have been watching some. Has a lift here. That's where you lift up, and I believe it says, yeah, American Safety Razor Corporation, New York, on the inside there. Probably not showing up the best lighting camera here. Anyway, little writing on the back, Everready, and patent March 2414, made in USA. All right, so I'm going to put this gem blade in here. Basically, you have these tabs on either side, and it goes down to the stop. So you just slide it in, down to the stops, pop the tap over. That's the problem I had with the one that came with that case, is I don't know if someone's rough or they get dropped or something, but I've had more than one of these that I get, and the head is wonky on it. In other words, I can look and it's twisted one way or the other. It's not quite the same distance. Of course, the blade is against the stops. It's at the right location, so I don't know. Maybe it's a ADHD thing. Okay, so we're shaving with that, and today I'm going full out with my Ethos soaps. Frank Dragonsbeard makes these, and if you aren't on the Greenfresh train, you've missed the train. The scent, just taking this off, oh, absolutely beautiful. And I forget what all is in it. Now I'm maybe going to try to tell you the scent. Go to where is it? Grooming Essentials. Ethos Grooming Essentials at Gmail. You can email him, or ethosgroomingessentials.com. And you can check out his whole line of things. So we've got that. We've got the Splash, which is where Frank's stuff just really shines. The skin food stuff he puts in this is unreal. Unlike anything else I've ever used. And I also have the EDP to match. So there we are. We're using, and I've already whipped his up because this one is, the base is a little softer in this one. He's got some various bases, coming out with an F base now, which is firmer, and you can load off the puck. It's a little soft, so I use a little thing he included, scoop a little out, put it in a Turkish bowl, whipped it up, and using my Steve Graydog, Cocobolo, I think, wood, with a Synbad knot. So let me go ahead and wet my face a little bit here. It's been sitting a minute while I got things together. So how is everybody doing? So it's nice to have Brian as a new member at Toast3. Nice to have anybody that would like to come and join us over there do so. Wealth of information from gentlemen about single edge razors, and it's a small forum but growing. It'll probably never be large like others, not the intent, because of its focus on a single type of razors, the original safety razors. All right, so going with the green here. I always do that pass there. And I guess I'm trying to clear the lather from up there so I don't catch that ridge, but I'm trying to break a habit of that. And when I'm doing my with the grain pass, and make sure that I catch that top area that way too. I noticed I had a habit of doing that. And so anyhow, nice smooth razor to use. This is what the lather catcher's kind of evolved into. You have it is a lather catcher, just a little smaller design. Sometimes I'll rinse this more than I need to. I'm using unmentionable two-edged thingy razors. You get in the habit of flipping it to the other side and rinsing it more often. Don't have to, just a habit. All right. Just put a little bit of water on there just to keep it hydrated. Like I said, the soap was sitting in the bowl there for a little bit. And I mixed it up nice and thin, and it just feels so soft on the face, this stuff. And I can't remember the scents, but cucumber and spearmint, I think. And it is just heavenly. He's recently made it into a bar soap and a shampoo body wash. Slick enough to get that fourth opposite direction across the grain for me. It's even hard to pull the skin, how slick that residual slickness is. Brian mentioned this was one that he's looking to pick up. And I believe he did already, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember. And the Damascene is also one that I think he picked up now as well. I don't think I need to shave with that. He's seen fuzzy shave with that one. But we will be getting to my Damascene eventually. What is today? 19th. Still got almost 2 more weeks of single edge shaves. Got some more to come up to highlight. Try to fit in my Weck razor. I don't think I've done that one on video yet, and I want to use that new one that I've gotten in, modified the blade for it, and I think ascertained who made it and found the patent for it, even though this is against the grain. I don't have a name for the razor. With help of some, the patent information has been located. So the 1914 is easy razor to use. They're pretty razors. Short little handle for my big hands, but I can manage it. Sometimes I'll swap it out and have an adapter to be able to use a regular handle. Pretty sure you can hear the talking of it. I have my typical 1-day growth. Shave every day. Which is a good test of a razor. Lots of people will say, I'd like to wait a day or 2 days or 3 days. I get a better shave. And probably true. I noticed that years ago when I used to miss here and there too. It does seem like a better shave, and I think it's easier as the hair gets longer. It's a little Humphreys. I'm getting another sip of coffee while it dries down just a hair. So there you have it. It's the 1912 Ever Ready. You can tell by looking at the top there. It's got the lift here written or stamped into both sides of the head. Let's go ahead and pop the blade out and get it cleaned. Rinsed real good. Stainless steel one, so don't really have to do this, but I like to do it. And one thing I do, you've got the writing on the gem stainless steels on the one side. Up on the spine it says, probably not picking it up, it says gem. On the other side it says stainless. So I always put the gem side up so I know I've got it facing the same way. And we'll rinse the razor out. This one's not like pristine or anything, but it's in good condition. We want to keep it that way. And we'll set that back in the case. Discussion on cases over on Toast 3 also. When you're getting razors, you don't shave with the case nice to have them if you can get them without paying a fortune. And if you're a collector per se, it's a way to store them. Some people don't store them in the cases. I tend to put them in the case, and then I have a antique secretary desk in the spare room right behind me. And oh, sorry, caught away in the scent. Frank nailed it with this one. All right, and I'll hit it with the EDP after a bit here. That's it. Still have plenty of suds in here too if we want to keep going. Just with a small amount of soap that was scooped and put in there. Where are we at here? 15, almost 16 minutes. So shorter shave. Hope that helps you, Brian. Great having you over on Toast now. It's nice to see you interacting with others, and we're seeing some more liveliness in the forum there. So if you're not already over there, come join us. Join in, learn, share your knowledge. Just enjoy talking, start threads on interesting things that others might enjoy sharing in with you. So Dave in Kentucky, and we will see you on the pages.